Christmas trees are a thriving industry in North Carolina. Most of our state's Christmas trees are Fraser firs, which are grown in the mountains. Many other varieties are grown at lower elevations across the state. It can take up to 15 years to raise a single Christmas tree from a seed, requiring hands-on attention from farmers throughout its life. First, seeds are planted in a greenhouse or outdoor seed bed, where they're nurtured for up to 3 years. These small seedlings, only about 6 inches tall, are then moved to an outdoor bed or a container nursery where they spend up to 2 more years growing sturdy enough to move to a tree field. After planting the transplant in the field, farmers stay busy fertilizing and shaping the trees while safely managing weeds and pests. Over the course of its life, a grower may provide hands-on care for a single tree more than 100 times. Trees remain in the field until they reach the desired size. At that point, most trees are harvested and shipped to stores and tree lots, while others are grown specifically for a pick-your-own experience. No matter where you buy your tree this year, make sure it's homegrown from one of our 850 tree farms right here in North Carolina. A local farmer will thank you.